Tripping, they gon' run it down. You been claiming he a demon, say he's out here. Cooking nigga up like some soul food. I just got 20 bands, that shit too easy. I just fuck this nigga bitch, that bitch too easy. Running up the band, that shit too easy. Got 5 bucks on it? My dick won't get it. On my wrist like a fight, no life. Inside cool, but these hit on. These long hard glasses got me looking like a real nigga. Quarter for a walk in my vision got a real guy. Look at Pop. I'm gonna get a Pepsi Blue.
These guys, I mean, not exotic. They are exotic, but they expire.
There's a buyer?
Yeah.
There's still no more of them? I ain't tripping. These are the ones y'all got right here?
Yeah. Everything except for these, like, Tokyo.
Which one's your favorite?
Like, they're golden suns.
Trying to see what's up.
Yeah, later on, let's get some shit.
Oh, I got a podcast.
What's your podcast, man?
Yeah, shit I got right here.
You got a podcast?
Yeah, QR code
You got a
and shit.
podcast?
Yeah.
You got
It's
a
how you
podcast
know.
and shit?
Yeah.
Okay, bet, bro. Look, whenever you're in LA, we having the best smoke in the city. From LA to downtown to the valley. We pulling up 24-hour delivery service. GIG Exotic Gallery on the Instagram. And we showing love to everybody in the city. Especially love to Desto. Y'all know what's going on. All fly shit on me. Awful lot of. Don't even make it.
This shit is hard. This shit is tight.
I come from Paris and I'm here, man.
Paris?
Yes.
What's
All
up?
people know this rapper. French person know this rapper.
You know them?
Yes.
You know Phoenix?
Yes.
I want it too. Roses are red, diamonds are blue. I just scream, permanent hue. My niggas get work like a silence is due. Just made a man, I counted it once. I think I go spread it around in the slums. 265, that's where I'm from. Then we get used to the sun of the Rolls Royce right now, sunset. I must get a crib now, like fucking nigga.